Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a minimal project. Run npm init and install Tailwind with post CSS and auto prefixer so builds are stable. Create Tailwind. Config JS and point content to your src files so unused CSS is removed later. Once done, add the 3 Tailwind directives into a main CSS file and import it into your entry JS or HTML. This gets Tailwind generating utility classes immediately. Make sure your build script runs post CSS so the utilities compile on save. You now craft structure with a mobile-first mindset. Apply base utilities, then layer SM, MD, LG, prefixes to change layout as screens grow. Use flex and grid for distribution, gap for spacing, and container or max W to limit line lengths. These choices control readability and reflow. Once you have working classes, customize breakpoints or extend spacing in Tailwind. Config JS to match your design system. Make sure to test incremental changes in the browser so responsive shifts remain predictable. You finish by optimizing and verifying. Enable content-driven purging or content paths in production builds so CSS stays small, and run your build with node env equals production. Test responsiveness across breakpoints using DevTools and physical devices. Check touch targets and focus states to ensure accessibility. Once deployed, use a CDN and cache headers to serve assets fast. If styles don't appear, clear the build cache. Confirm the compiled CSS file is imported, and rerun the post CSS/Tailwind build.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.